Hi everyone, it's Mommy and Mia from Surprise Eggs and Toy Fun.
Today we have a treasure box surprise. It is Paw Patrol themed. Mia, open up the treasure box. We have lots of toys to unbox. Let's pick the first toy. Who do we have?
Chase.
Chase. Let's open Chase up. Do you guys watch Paw Patrol? Oh wow, that's a cool figure. Let me show him to the camera. Okay, this is Chase. He has a blue hat on and he has a star on his collar. Around. Yes, very detailed. It looks really cool. Alright, next figure. We have Zuma. Wow. Okay, let's open Zuma. Zuma looks like a chocolate lab. Zuma has an orange collar on and an orange helmet. Okay, let's see Zuma in a little bit better detail. So cute. Next figure. Skye. Skye has a pink collar on, and she looks like she has goggles on for flying, and also a pink hat. Let's look at Skye in better detail. Woof woof. Okay, next puppy. Ooh, Marshall. Marshall is a Dalmatian. Looks like Marshall works at the firehouse. Marshall has a red collar on and a red fire helmet. Let's look at Marshall in detail. Okay, we have Rubble. Okay, here's Rubble, and he has a yellow collar on and a yellow construction helmet. Let's look at him up close. Super cute. Alright, last puppy. We have Rocky. Aww. Okay. Rocky has a green collar on with a green and white baseball cap. Let's look at him in more detail. Alright, we have 2 surprise eggs in this video. First one has candy in it. And I think there was Skye on that egg. This is a Krabby Patty. Let's try it out. Which kind would you like to try? The bun? Mia hasn't eaten these. What do you think? I think they're really good. Mmm. What do you think, Mia?
They're okay, but not the best.
Okay. And the last egg is Paw Patrol. And then it has stickers in it. Now, let me see if I know these dogs. Skye. Who's that one?
Marshall.
Marshall. Rubble. Chase. Zuma. And the one we just had. Who is the one we just had? Rocky. Okay, there's are those stickers. Let's put them back there. Let's see if they'll stay. Yeah. All right, let's look at the toys that we got in our treasure chest. Alright, that's it for our video. If you liked the video, please click like and subscribe and share the video with your friends. And we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.